Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 24 to 30, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Leo, let's see. Anong ganap? So this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, your blessing, energy ng money, career, finances, at love life and family. Bottom of the deck is Temperance. This is bringing balance in your life. Maaring meron kang mga inaayos. Parang you are trying to give time sa ibang mga bagay na importante rin sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng nakapag-focus ka lang sa isang bagay. Let's say, nag-focus ka lang sa trabaho. At na medyo na isang tabi mo yung relationships mo, family, no? Or even yourself. Ano rin to? Pagiging patient. Maaring meron kang hinihintay, no? And you are being patient about it. Yung iba, you might be making a major decision, no? Ayan, no? Meron ditong mga options na nag-open sa'yo, like mga pagpipilian, opportunities, mga bagay na kino-consider mo. Lalo na kung merong sitwasyon. Nagsasama yung situation tsaka sitwasyon eh. So, merong sitwasyon sa buhay mo na you want to leave behind. Gusto mo nang iwanan. Parang iniisip mo, so pag iniwan ko na to, saan na ako pupunta? Parang ganon. Okay? So, your overall energy is the Six of Wands. Wow. You are the center of attention. Maaring you are being celebrated sa community mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Meron ding recognition dito sa maaring mapapansin na yung performance mo sa trabaho, or you will gain popularity, no? Lalo na if you are into social media or you're in the public eye. Now, your challenge is the Hierophant. So, maaring merong challenging situation sa isang person in authority sa buhay mo. So, sabihin, someone na merong mataas na katungkulan sa'yo. Like, for example, boss mo. Or, meron kang kailangang alamin or pag-aralan na hindi mo ginagawa sa ngayon. Parang, inisip mo na wag muna. Oo. And then, your opportunity is the Lovers, which is relationship, no? Para sa iba sa inyo, maaring may opportunity kayo to get into a relationship, pumasok sa isang serious commitment. Or yung iba naman, this can be business partnership. So, isa to sa kasi ang the Lovers is also being in the yung crossroads na may decision making kang gagawin. And then your blessing is the Six of Pentacles. Wow. Six of Pentacles is magandang flow ng finances, no? Magandang flow ng income para sa'yo. Meron ka rin pagkakataon na tulungan yung ibang tao. And just in case na meron kang kailanganin mo ng tulong, someone is going to help you, especially sa finances or resources na kailangan mo. And then, sa money, career, finances, you have the Hanged Man. Meron kang bagong perspective, no? Maaring meron kang inaaral or pinag-iisipan na ipupursu mo or iiwanan mo sa business, sa career, trabaho, na bago mo to gawin, talagang pinag-aaralan mo muna. So, whatever this is, at least makakapili ka ng best for you. Okay? And the Hangman is also about connecting to your higher self, connecting to your instinct, your intuition, kasi yun yung magli-lead sa'yo sa best possible decision. And then your love life is the King of Cups. O, iba sa inyo in love. Or merong person sa buhay mo na deeply in love sa'yo. Someone na talagang committed sa'yo. Magandang intention niya sa'yo. And if you're single, pwedeng meron sa inyong nagkaka-crush na mahiyain. Hindi niya pinapahalata na may crush siya sa'yo. North Node, you are focused on your future. Yung destiny mo. Maaring may mga plano ka na about what you really want to do in the future. So, this is retrograde, which is review. I think, meron kang major na nire-reassess sa buhay mo. Kumbaga sa parang nagsusort ka ng mga bagay na kailangan mo nang i-let go at kailangan mong kailangan magstay sa'yo. So, example, yung mga lumang damit, 'di ba? Na iniisip mo na, masyado na maraming damit mo. So, yung iba, ipapamigay mo or ibebenta. So, it's like clearing your closet. Pwedeng literal, pwede rin naman tong metaphorical na you are releasing anything that is no longer serving you. Oh, person of water, emotionally connected. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are connecting with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. It's time. It's time for a relationship. Or yung iba sa inyo, if you want to release a toxic relationship na you feel na hindi na talaga for you, then you are cutting off this connection. Kasi pwedeng getting into a new relationship, pero meron ka munang i-let go. Oo. Syempre. Graceful transformation. Soften your heart and find your flow. Graceful transformation. Change. Energy shift. So, parang I feel like mas nagiging open ka ngayon sa mga changes sa buhay mo. Mas nagpo-focus ka ngayon sa mga goals mo, kung paano mo to ma-achieve. Gaia's Gateway, access Earth's inner wisdom. Yes. So, mas wiser ka na ngayon base sa mga naging experiences mo in the past. Kaya hindi ka rin talaga nagmamadali dun sa mga decision mo. Pinag-iisipan mo muna. And at the same time, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo na ma-achieve for your future. At yung decision mo ngayon, yun yung preparation mo for your future. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.